Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you Android settings you need to turn off now. There are several ways through which you can secure your data and save battery by denying access to unnecessary data being used by apps. Just change these Android settings to prevent your data. The ways of doing so may differ with models and brands of phones. However, you will be able to find them with different names on different devices. The first one is location access. Lots of Android apps use your location, like for ordering cabs or delivering food. Your phone tracks where you go. Turn off location for apps that don't need it. If an app needs it, only turn it on when using the app. To stop sharing your location on your phone, find the location icon in the bar or scroll in some phones and turn it off. Second, contact access. Even though your phone knows all the apps installed in that don't need to know the people in your contact list, and you should be very careful while installing an app and contact access. Watch out while giving access to contacts to even your social media accounts. So, you can find the options of restricting the contact access in the app permissions. And even while installing, you can opt out of the access or restrict it. Taking this small step will not only enhance the security of your data, but also improve the privacy of your Android device, aligning with the need to turn off certain Android settings now. Third, advertisement personalization. Never let any app or website personalize the advertisements for you. Otherwise, the vicious circle of you talking about a product or service and then seeing their ads throughout the apps and websites will begin, and it will become spooky later on. Secure your Android phone using these steps. So, to avoid or opt out of the situation and secure your Android phone by turning it off, all you need to do is follow these steps. Go to the settings, tap on Google, tap your Google account, and go to the data and privacy. Then, tap add personalization. After this, you can check on the data for personalized ads and you can opt out of it. Fourth, nearby device scanning. You might notice your phone's battery draining so fast. One of the reasons is your nearby device settings are on. By turning off this Android setting, not only you can save your phone from external vulnerabilities, but you can also save battery as well. Your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth feature using these options means that they are causing the fast draining batteries. So, to avoid this, you are required to follow these steps. Go to the settings, on location, Wi-Fi scanning, and Bluetooth scanning. Fifth, restrict background data usage. It may cause the draining out of the battery very quickly, although it saves your efforts and time when you need some apps to load or update. Meanwhile, it is not good for your battery life. So it's better to opt out of the battery of the feature when you don't require it. To turn off this Android setting, open the settings, tap apps, then go to the mobile and Wi-Fi and disable background data. 6. Limit access to mic, camera, and other sensors. It feels spooky to imagine that each word you speak or click on an object on your device can be traced. But, as mentioned, All these activities are prone to private data leaks, and such things have happened in past to many people. So it's better to allow mic access only if an app requires it and avoid using other sensors on the phone to avoid being vulnerable to biometric data leaks. Keep a tab on which app is using which sensor and why. Consider turning off this data setting on Android to protect your privacy and security. 7. Uninstall useless apps. Well, it's the time when you should forget this habit of holding on to the apps that you use because apart from draining battery and claiming space, these apps might be using your data as well. So, better to uninstall them right now. 8. Instant apps. In the year 2016, however, many people are unaware of this feature on their phones and never heard of it. This serves the purpose of rather than installing an app, you can use a specific part of an app to fulfill your requirements. You can find these instant apps by heading to the following steps. Tap on Settings, Default Apps, Opening Links, and Instant App. Do this to prevent your data from your Android phones. And 9. Usage and diagnostic information. In a bid to improve the functionalities of Android OS, there is a huge amount of data that is being shared with Google, and while it seems like it is being done to improve the user experience, however, one never knows what all sorts of data is being used for the purpose of usage and diagnostics. So, to opt out of this service, follow this step. Tap on the settings, tap on Google, and tap the upper right three-dot menu. Scroll down and select Usage and Diagnostics and turn it off. And last, hide lock screen notification. It can get awkward that your phone is lying on the table and your best friend has sent some hilarious photo. However, the message by someone whom you never wish to see the text. However, you can actually avoid such terrific situations by turning off the feature that covers the sensitive information on the notification bar. On the settings, tap on Notifications. Select Lock Screen and toggle off Show Notifications. On some devices, go to Lock Screen Settings and choose Hide Content or a similar option to hide notification details. And you can also hide apps on an Android phone to prevent your data from unauthorized access. Safeguarding your Android phones requires a few changes. Change these 10 Android settings to prioritize privacy and secure your Android device. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.